Experience from earlier phase of technology-driven growth has shown that vision, skills, and policy alignment can transform economies. Today, artificial intelligence represents a similar inflection point. My government is moving services and systems online to improve efficiency, transparency, and accessibility. Digital platforms are being expanded across departments to reduce discretion and delays. By combining technology with institutional reform, governance itself is being smarter and more responsive. This digital transition is not an end in itself, but a means to unlock productivity, innovation, and citizen trust across the state. Governance is increasingly being driven by clearly defined key performance indicators mapped across departments and administrative levels under Swarnandhra at 2047 vision. A comprehensive digital dashboard ecosystem has been established to enable real-time monitoring of targets and achievements, visualization of development trends, and comparison of performance across regions. This framework supports evidence-based reviews, early identification of gaps and lagging indicators, and timely course correction. By institutionalizing accountability across the system, it ensures that policies translate into measurable outcome and ultimately leads to a significant improvement in the speed of delivering governance. Friends, the challenges before us are significant. Years of financial stress left deep imbalances, including substantial liabilities across sectors. My government has taken steps to stabilize finances, reduce borrowing costs, and secure revival support while rebuilding credibility. This has not been an easy task, but there is no alternative to disciplined correction. Despite constraints, growth momentum is being restored through careful prioritization and reforms. Determination, clarity, and persistence define our approach as we work to rebuild the state's foundations and promote Andhra Pradesh with renewed confidence. These efforts are already reflecting in the state's economic performance. As per the first advance estimates for 2025-26, Andhra Pradesh gross state domestic product has increased to rupees 17.62 lakh crore from 15.91 lakh crore in the previous year, recording a nominal growth of 10.75%. Per capita income has risen to rupees 2.95 lakh compared to 2.66 lakh last year. This growth has been driven by strong performance in agriculture and allied sector at 7.83%, industry sector at 9.53%, and services sector at 12.94%. As we move forward, the pace of revival and growth depends on collective participation. My government is committed to monitoring outcomes closely, motivating institutions, and sustaining momentum. Public cooperation and constructive engagement will ensure that reforms deliver results faster and more equitably. When citizens participate actively, progress accelerates. Together, we can ensure that transition from revival to ascendance is smooth and enduring. This shared responsibility will help transform policy intent into better living standards, strengthening confidence in the state's future direction. As Gurujada Apparao, a revered social reformer, so powerfully reminded us, దేశమంటే మట్టి కాదోయ్, దేశమంట మనుషలోయ్, meaning The nation is not soil. The nation is its people. The people entrusted my government with the responsibility to rebuild the state through welfare, development and good governance. In 1 year, 9 months, this process is firmly on track. Foundational reforms have been completed and proof of concept is visible across sectors. With the Swarnandhra vision guiding us, each year builds on the previous one. This journey aligns with national aspirations and the vision of a developed India by 2047. I call upon every citizen to participate actively in this shared mission of transformation. This collective journey is directed towards building a state that is wealthy, healthy and happy, and among the most livable in the country by translating aspirations of the people of Andhra Pradesh into enduring outcomes. With confidence in our strengths, faith in our institutions and unity in our purpose, Andhra Pradesh is moving forward with a resilient spirit, competitive in action, and committed to a future where every citizen can live with dignity, opportunity, and hope. Jai Hind, Jai Andhra, Jai Jai Swarnandhra.